Hello everyone. Today I will be guiding you through the basic start of Eylean and how to get started. So first of all, you have already installed our tool, you have filled in your basic information, and for the demo we will store data on our computer. We will create a new workspace. The easiest way is to choose basic template. So we will just click get started, and this is our basic board. It contains three simple columns. They can always be managed through configuration. This is the place where you can manage the width of columns. For instance, I would like to be them less wide, and I want to add additional columns. For instance, for quality assurance, or I can even add additional sections like approval section. And this is very easily manageable, and when I go back to my board, it's already changed. So what I do next is I simply double click the board to add new tasks. Those tasks can be selected, and you can start typing instantly and fill in the title with the information. By double clicking the task, you will get the details screen where you can always add attachments, you can add comments, you can have a changelog history of data. You can define due dates, which will symbolize when this item needs to be finished. If this item needs to be finished today, it will be yellow. If it needs to be finished, if it's already late, it will be red. You can have alerts. Alerts are for notifications for other users or yourself. For instance, that this item is really important. So whenever I come, I see this on my screen immediately. Or I can define it by a different color. Then I can have a detailed description, which is basically with all the formatting available, and I can always be notified that this item has additional description. And of course, I can have this item measured in story points or estimate an hour. Story points are an abstract value, and hours are an accurate value of estimation. And by this I can also manage this task and track its time. This is an integrated time tracker which fixes time, and whenever I hit stop it goes to statistics. And well, this can be done manually by going in through here and just simply adding a time. For instance, I forgot to add my time yesterday, so I will add 2 hours of work on this item yesterday. And this goes straight away to reports. I have my dashboard which shows how many items I have, how many of them are finished. So if I want to finish an item, I need to pull it to the last step, which means done, and the report will show that one of 3 items is done. It will also show how many tasks are late, the estimation, progress, and total track time. But this is a simple one. Next one is track time by sheet in timesheets. This is where I know how many time I've tracked for a particular task or for a particular project. This workspace might look very simple for you, right? But you can always create new workspaces from templates which are more detailed. Or for instance, I will open a workspace which contains way more data, and it contains a team. And you will see how this bigger stuff is managed. I'm currently on Wi-Fi connection, so you will have to wait a little bit while it opens. Okay, sorry, let's try this once more. Okay, here's our board, and this contains a lot of stuff. If I fit the screen, I can have my additional scope introduced. I will add new rows in here, and this is all of the items that are planned for my team, and I can handle my due dates and periods of time that those rows needs to be completed. I will have lots of additional info. I will have my team on the right, so I could quickly delegate tasks. For instance, I can choose any task and simply drag and drop it to my team member, and it will be assigned to him. Of course, as a team manager, I can start following a task, and I will get email notifications if my user is doing this task and changing its status, or for instance adding additional information. And these emails can be defined in team configuration. If I open my user, I can say, okay, this is my email, send those notifications to here, and by deploying server, you will need to just simply adjust the email settings. And of course, the reports are looking way more way more filled in with data. So for instance, I can have an earlier month, so you could understand better how many info it can store. So this is my timetable. I can compare my team members by the time they spend on project tasks. I can have even my burn down charts, which shows me how many items I have remaining on a particular day, on my average velocity, which means how many items we produce in 1 week, and I can see an ideal burn down path, which means that I need to be having as many items as this dashed line shows on particular days. So as this chart shows, we are already very late and we need to progress more and introduce new resources. So there are many more cool features like import, export from Excel or Outlook to keep everything under one hood, and you can have all your info stored in here without using third-party tools. So this is it for a short getting started demo, and you can watch more videos which are related to advanced features of Eylean. I hope you find this interesting and have a nice day, and bye.